Hi guys, my name is Shivangi. In this video, I would like to talk to those people, those students who just say, I want to pick up English, I want to become a good speaker, I want to brush up on my English language, I want to become great speaker in this language. You are the one you just see I'm passionate about English, I'm curious about English, I'm crazy for English language. Yeah, you are the one you just say English is most important language. It is a international language. English has been spoken across the world. So nowadays learning English is most essential thing. You want to learn English just for getting job, developing your personality, right? There are so many reasons to learn English language. Yeah, you are the one you like traveling, you would like to go other city, other state. Yeah, you would like to go other country as well. You need English because you know very well, if I know how to speak English, I can communicate to the people, I can communicate to people in English language. Nowadays learning English is mandatory. You know these things, but you just say, I will start learning English from tomorrow. Even some of them, they just say, I want to speak English, but I need right time. And then I will start my speaking journey. And then I will learn English. You just say yourself. But I want to inform you, my friend, right time never comes. Right time is right now. Whenever you just say yourself, I want to learn English. Yeah, you would like to see any other people, I want to learn English. That is your right time. Don't wait for tomorrow because tomorrow never comes. Every single day you just say, I will learn tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Please stop saying, I will learn English from tomorrow. Yeah, you are the one, you just wait for right time. So I want to say, please don't wait for any specific time. And I want to say one more thing. I know you are a totally beginner, you have a hesitation, you are reluctant. You just say learning English is very hard language. Why? Because we don't have an environment, right? That's a main issue. Each and everybody has their own language, but in India, people don't have environment to learn English, right? So that's why a lot of people just say, me too as well. Learning English is not just a piece of cake. Learning English is not just a walk in the park. You can't do with your eyes shut. Really, initially time, you feel English very hard language. You feel why? Because you don't have a foundation, you don't know about grammar, you don't have a environment to speak English, you don't have any people who can support you every single day, right? That's the reason you just say learning English is very tough language. But initially time you feel it is a tough language. As soon as you start your journey, you start keeping sentences in English, and I'm sure you will not say it is a tough language, because initially time, if you do anything you feel tough. It is true, you feel tough, but as soon as you start doing that work, gradually and gradually you will get overcome. So why not in this language as well? You know, a lot of people, they just say learning English is very hard language. When I was a beginner, it was hard to utter a single word. I didn't know how to introduce myself, but this time there are great speaker, right? There are so many people. And one more thing, a lot of people start from beginning. So why you are getting scared? What do you think what do you think people who's a good speaker now, that time they were very well in English? No, my friend, they were also a beginner. They started from scratch. They started from zero. So you have to start from zero. There's no shame. Okay? There's no shame. You have to start your journey. I know a lot of people they don't speak because they have a lot of doubts. Fear of just people. Fear of people laugh at my English. Fear of I'm unable to coherent sentences. Fear of I'm unable to introduce myself initially. So I have to face these problems. That's why you just say learning English is a tough language. It is, but initially time. As soon as you will get overcome, it will become easy for you. But I want to say until unless you open your mouth, it is impossible to speak English. So you have to start opening your mouth. Yes, you heard me right. Speak something in English. And I want to say one more thing. If you are truly beginner, so I want to suggest you something and you have to adapt. You have to implement. There's no need to make long sentences in English. You have to make small sentences in English. Do you know what you have to do? Try to make very small sentences. How? For example, just say your mother, your father. Yeah, you can say your sister, brothers as well. Pass me water bottle and put my phone on the charge. Pass me spoon. Uh, take my pillow. Turn on the fan. Switch off the fan. This type of sentences you have to speak. It is not a long, it is a very short. It's okay if you make mistake because making mistakes is part of learning process. Making mistake is inevitable. And one more thing, you are the one you just think I make a lot of mistakes. So that's why I don't want to learn. My friend, until unless you make mistake, how you will learn? It is impossible. And one more thing, you're ready to make mistakes, so you're ready to the next level. And making mistake never ever fail you. It will proceed you ahead. Yes, it is. And if you start learning English, you will get confidence, you will gain your knowledge, you can expand your vocabularies, you can coherent sentences, and then you feel you're able to speak English. So please stop fearing. Please stop getting fear. Start speaking right now. Right now. Don't say I will wait for specific time and then I will start my journey. Don't say. You have to promise me from today, from now, you have to start speaking English. Initially day there is no need to do a lot of things. Do at least two things. What is that? First of all, try to make very small sentences, and second thing, try to watch something in English. You can watch what you like. If you like watching cartoons, so start watching cartoons in English. Choose those cartoons. What is your favorite? Because cartoon language is very simple. You can coherent easily. Really, my friend. So please start watching cartoon according to you and make sentences small, not a lot. Try to implement both habit and see yourself. You're able to understand English. Thanks a lot for understanding. And thanks a lot for watching my video till the end. Keep on smirking, keep on flourishing, keep on practicing every single day. And thanks a lot. And please, you have to promise me you will do whatever I told you. From today, you have to start speaking English. If you're crazy to learn English, you truly need English. You are. willing for English. You are deal in this language. So please start right now. There is no any specific time. There is no any precious time to start. That is precious time right now. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching my video till the end.